This is the Mismo Explorer. It's a bag that costs almost £800 and it could just be the world's best weekend travel bag. In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about this bag, from its bulletproof skin to some hidden details that you're probably not aware of. And by the end of it, I'm hoping I will have convinced at least some of you that this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. But what is it about this bag that makes it so good? Let's start off with the basics. At just over half a metre in length and a third of a metre in height and depth, the Explorer has a volume of 54 litres. That's on the larger size of your average weekender, and in fact it's the biggest travel bag that Mismo make. But if you're looking for a bag that does it all, then this is it. It's got ample space to hold all of your essentials, comfortably fitting 3 to 4 pairs of shoes, a large wash bag, plenty of clothes, a 16-inch laptop, and all with space to spare, covering anything from a night, a long weekend, or even a couple of weeks away. At those dimensions, it's actually bigger than the Floyd cabin I reviewed a couple of weeks ago, and a little over the average cabin bag dimensions in length for most airlines. But because it's not a hard shell suitcase, it can easily be compressed slightly to fit, as long as you haven't overloaded it. This is helped by the belt strap that runs all the way around the sides, allowing you to loosen or tighten the bag's tension with ease. This also allows the bag to adopt a more familiar duffel shape, but unlike the classic drawstring duffels that became so popular after the Second World War, the Explorer actually unfolds, which means a more spacious opening into the main compartment, making it easy to pack or pull things out. A brass zipper made from renowned Japanese company YKK spans the length of this opening. This weapons-grade construction is widely considered to be the Rolls-Royce of zippers, and for good reason. Every element, down to the individual teeth, has been perfected and hand-polished, resulting in one of the smoothest zippers you'll ever use. The entire opening has been reinforced with leather as well, adding to the longevity and utility of the bag. In addition to the main compartment, this bag features 2 outside pockets, which are perfect for a book, passport, or some headphones. On the inside, there's a generously sized zippered pocket for valuables, which is flanked by leather pull tabs to make it easier to open and close. And there's 5 more pockets inside as well. 2 are hidden in each end of the bag and can be secured with a leather strap. The final 3 are simple slip pockets, which are perfect for a variety of smaller items. On the outside of the Explorer are 2 main carrying handles that can be used in different orientations, either over the shoulder or as a backpack. There's also a detachable shoulder strap, which connects on each side of the bag via strong brass clips, which are handmade in Italy. In fact, all of the brass hardware in this bag has been covered with a special golden coating to prevent it from oxidizing and rusting over time. There's also 2 more handles on each end of the Explorer, which makes loading it an absolute breeze. And like all of the other straps on this bag, they're made from full-grain bridle leather, taken exclusively from older cattle for its thickness and strength. All of this attention to detail means an exceptionally strong and durable leather frame that surrounds the bag. In fact, Mismo are so confident with the durability of this leather that it's also weaved into a lattice structure that forms the base of the bag alongside 5 metal studs. And of course, all of this is held together by the canvas of the Explorer, which is a carefully constructed blend of cotton and nylon. This decision combines 2 worlds into one: the aesthetic and tactility of cotton with the durability and strength of nylon. The fabric has also been given a water repellent treatment, which makes it reject immediate stains, covering you in a quick shower. And just in case that's not enough for you, Mismo also offer this bag in ballistic nylon, a material literally designed to protect pilots from shrapnel. Pack enough of these layers thinly together and it's even been known to stop bullets, all of which creates a level of resilience that few bags this good looking can boast. Mismo also offers a matching wash bag as well, built from the same external fabric but lined with a special waterproof material. So if you have an accidental explosion while you're traveling, the rest of your luggage will be protected. It's generously sized as well, with an enclosed pocket in the middle, flanked by 2 large compartments either side, so you won't have any issues carrying all of your bathroom clobber. But after soaking all of that in, I suppose you're asking yourself an obvious question. How does this bag hold up in the wild? Well, I've been road testing this bag for a few weeks now, and I even took it on a trip to Portugal with me. Carrying this bag around for that amount of time has made me think of a few things. When I first got the bag, the leather was stiff and the shoulder strap was a little uncomfortable when using this for long periods. But now that I've been using it for a couple of weeks, the leather has softened really nicely, making it a lot more comfortable to carry. The belt strap is more useful than I first realised as well, allowing you to secure a jacket in place for quick access. And the handles actually run all the way around the bag, spreading the strain and minimising the risk of breaking. There's also leather reinforcements pretty much everywhere you look, and on top of this, Mismo offer a repair service that spans the entire lifetime of the bag to give you that added peace of mind in the unlikely event that something breaks. And this is why Mismo has become so well respected over the last few years. For Adam Back, Mismo's co-founder, it's about making things that people become attached to and will use for a long period of time. Behind every Mismo product is the philosophy that quality and longevity are the primary motivations, which is why 5, 10, 30 years down the line, he's confident you'll still be using it after all that time. And that got me thinking, if people are willing to spend $1,000 on a phone that's only going to survive for a couple of years, then why aren't they willing to spend the same on a quality travel bag that will last a lifetime? The pandemic changed the way many of us travel, with remote working and home offices everywhere. All the more reason to make an effort when you do travel. They say you should dress for the life that you want, not the life that you have, which is why travelling around with a tatty old gym bag stuffed awkwardly between your legs probably isn't a good idea. The word tidløs in Danish means that something is timeless. Every now and again, a design is so well perfected in both style and functionality that it becomes just that, timeless. So if you're looking to add a slice of Nordic luxury to your wardrobe, then this is probably the bag for you. And with that, I'll say goodbye. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.